You're looking at a product page where a customer can rent out a party room by the hour. With the party room rental, the customer can also include add-ons in the order, like a popcorn machine, a cotton candy machine, and a bounce house. This bottom area is where the customer enters their information to begin placing the rental order. Let's take a closer look at this bounce house. The customer can add this bounce house to the room for $100 an hour. I'm letting you know that this bounce house has the same inventory in stock as the bounce house displayed on this page, which is rented out for $200 per day. Not by the hour. For the room rental, the bounce house was rented out per hour. How did we change the price and time unit rental and keep the inventory the same? That's what this video is about. But first, since we have this room rental with the option to include add-ons to the order, like a bounce house, let's take a quick look at how it handles overbooking mitigation. On this jobs list page, you can see that the bounce is reserved for a job from March 5th to March 6th. It's a 2-day rental. It indicates here that the product was made with a product page where you can only rent one item from the page. This is the single product page with the bounce house we are talking about in this video. Now I'm going to attempt to create a job between March 5th and March 6th. Remember, those were the days when the bounce house had a job. Also, did you notice that I didn't select the bounce house add-on for this rental job I'm creating now? This will demonstrate that the order will go through because there are no jobs for the party room on March 5th to 6th. Now I'm selecting the dates for the job. The system will check if there are overbooking issues with the products selected on the page and existing jobs. It found no conflict. I wanted to take this time to show you how to activate the system check for overbooking. If you don't activate it, it won't search past jobs when the order is being created. Go to the edit page to make sure the overbooking mitigation setting is on. Scroll down to the inventory management section. You can see that the setting is on, so that's why the system did the check. And the checking inventory dialog came up when the job was being created before. Remember, the job for the bounce house is on the 5th and the 6th. Now let's create the job again, but this time add the bounce house to the order. After entering the customer information and address, the delivery fee dialog shows up. Now I will enter a 2-hour job that will take place on March 5th. Since the inventory management setting is on, it will check for conflicts with past jobs. And because the bounce house was selected in this new job, and a job already exists for the bounce house on the same date, the system will notify the customer that this order can't be placed. Now I want to show you how to attach this bounce house to this party room page. Scroll up the page to click on the interactive edit page button, aka Visual Editor. When the page loads, go to the group of add-ons. This group is called Include Fun Things in the Room. To show you how to include this bounce house, I'm going to delete and then re-include it the way I attached it to have it there in the first place. This is the bounce house we were talking about. It's a regular standalone product that costs $200 a day. To attach an add-on, click the Edit button next to the name of the group. Then click the Attach Another Add-on to the Group button. Notice this button here that says Attach Existing Add-on or Regular Product. Click it to see the list of your products to attach. There are 2 buttons at the top. The left one says Existing Add-ons. It shows add-on products that exist on multi-product pages. The button on the right says Regular Products. That button will display standalone products, which is what our bounce house is. Let's find our bounce house to attach. Look here. It says that it's a daily product. Now I'm going to click the Convert and Attach button to make that daily product match the party room's time usage, which is priced by the hour. I'm going to type in $100 to make this bounce house for this page $100 an hour. Don't forget to click Select, then click the Convert and Attach button. Click the background to close the dialog. Now let's see the inventory of this add-on we just created. Click the Edit button. On the left side, you can see the inventory for the bounce house. It checks the inventory every time you open this dialog. Notice that it says 1 bounce house is available. This is the bounce house we attached. It's the standalone product page. Let's check out its inventory. Scroll down to the bottom of its edit page. Click the Inventory tab. You can see here that the reason why it was 1 on the Party Rooms page was that it is 1 on this standalone page. They match. Let's change the inventory to 10 and click Update. It notifies you that it's connected to a multi-product page. Click Proceed. Now let's go back to the Party Rooms multi-product page. Click the Edit button. There, you see the 10 is now on the Bounce House. The inventory is attached, so you don't have to create a new Bounce House for an add-on. Now that you have seen how to attach an add-on to the group, let me remind you how to create a new group. Scroll to the top and click on the button that says Create a Product Group. Enter the name of the group. This will appear as text on the page for the new add-on section. I'm just going to enter some dummy add-on details so we can see faster how the group appears on the page. The point I wanted to show is that the newly created group, by default, appears at the bottom of the page. Now you see here, it's at the bottom. I'm able to drag the group section by clicking its header. Remind you, we are on the interactive page. If you are having issues with dragging the section, you can scroll to the top and click the Here button to reorder the rows on the page. Our new group is the one just before the last row. Click the up arrow to move it up. Now you can see that the new group we created appears higher on the page. In this video, you saw how to manage a web page where a customer can select multiple products and how some of the product's inventory can match the same product on a different page. Thanks for using rentalsetup.com to build your rental website.